Welcome back to BeFabulousMakeup. So glad you could join us. And today we have another foundation review. We will be reviewing the Ilimasqua Rich Liquid Foundation. And what made me want to review this foundation was the fact that when I heard good things about it, I heard that it had great coverage, it was a good foundation, but there were not a lot of videos out there, and the videos that were out there were from like 4 or 5 years ago. And there was one person, one black person, who did a video on it, and it was cloudy, you couldn't really see her color, the lighting was yellow, so it was a bad video. So since I had heard so many good things about it, I wanted to try it for myself. So today we'll be trying the foundation, and I also have the powder, some highlighters, and also some blushes. So we just going all around with it. We're gonna get us a good test of this foundation. So hang around and let's get into it. So we're just gonna get right into it since it's all about the foundation. That's what we're focusing on. But I'm still gonna color correct around the eyes. As you guys know, I have dark circles. And if you guys haven't tried the Morphe sponge, like, this is the best. I'm going to order me some more for my freelance kit. These sponges are just the best. So I'm going to use the primer, and it is the Mineral Veil. And you guys know that I'm a firm believer that if there is a primer that comes with the foundation, if they make a primer, that is just the primer to use, you know, with the foundation. Why is this stuff dropping out? And I noticed that when I was looking for videos on this foundation, there were some videos, but they were like from 5 and 6 years ago, and there was only one black person who did a tutorial on this, and it was like 3 years ago. And I don't understand, because it got the foundation had really good views, but there were just not a lot of black, you know, YouTubers doing videos on this. So, you know, I wanted to take the opportunity to try this because it does have good rays. So I'm just gonna get into it, and let me tell you what color I'm in and which one, because they're two different foundations. So I'm using the Rich Liquid Foundation, and I am, where's the color? 240. I'm just gonna apply this. I'm not sure, because you really can't tell by the bottle. Some look lighter, but they're a darker color. So you really can't tell by the bottle. So this might be too light, but guess what? We gonna work with it. So let's blend this out. No, it's not too light. It's pretty good. It's the right color. So if you're my skin tone, you want to get, if you're interested in this, you want to pick out the color 240. And it's weird that if it's a darker color, it looks lighter in the bottle. So it's really confusing. So I got lucky with choosing the right color. And let me tell you, this is nice. I mean, I didn't put on that much, but y'all know how I do, okay? but this is a really nice foundation. I don't understand why there are not a lot of videos, past and current, on Ilimasqua. You know, people, you're slipping out there. I mean, because this is a nice foundation. It's kind of pricey. The price point on it is $46, I believe. But it's worth it. I mean, it's not any higher than NARS or whatever. But I'm telling you, the finish on this is really nice. I mean, I don't understand why there haven't been more reviews on this. And y'all excuse my flexi rods in my head. I literally forgot to take them out. That's okay though. I mean, this is really nice. And it dries to a semi-matte finish. It's not matte, it's not dewy, it's a semi-matte finish. And I really, really like it. So I also have the powder. And the powder is in 233. And I'm just gonna put a little bit on in my oily spots. When you set it with the powder, it looks even better. Like, for real. No exaggeration. Y'all know, if it wasn't that, I would tell you. But it looks even better when you add the powder. Boy, I need to try this. This is a really nice foundation. And it's not heavy. And I'm just using some of the Maybelline Instant Rewind concealer. And they also, you know, they have blushes, they have highlighters. The highlighters are really subtle, so if you like a subtle highlight, you will love their highlighters. I mean, this foundation is really nice. And when I looked at the reviews from years ago, they said the same thing about the foundation. So I didn't understand why people were not doing reviews on this foundation. Because it is bomb. Literally. Look at that. I mean, yeah. Gosh, this is nice. This is really nice. And I don't want too much of a highlight under my eyes. So I'm just gonna use the powder under here to sit. This is nice, y'all. Really nice. Okay, I added just a tad bit of bronzer. I've already sprayed my face. And it's weird, I forgot my bronzer first, but I sprayed my face and I put the bronzer on and it didn't move. It did well. Hey, some good stuff. So I'm using now a cream bronzer in the shade Promise. I'm gonna use just a little bit. Blend this out. And I also have one of their highlighters in Epic, and it looks like this. So we're going to use a little bit of that. And it's really, like I said, it's really subtle. It's almost like a shimmer. champagne gold. Okay, and for lips, I'm going to use the Wet n Wild Cat Suit and Rebel Rush. Okay, so this is a finished look. And I mean, just get a look at this. Look at that finish. I mean, I am really impressed with this foundation, and I'm just so surprised that there are not a lot of videos out there on this foundation. But guess what? If you have not tried this, hey, I will go ahead and try it, because when I say I'm impressed, yeah, really. I mean, they have fantastic, so luxurious packaging. Look at that. And the products are really good. And this foundation is out of sight. So thumbs up to Ilimasqua. Did a great job on this foundation. So if you're looking for a foundation that's full coverage and gives you a flawless finish, but it's also lightweight, it's not heavy on the skin, that you need to try this. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, and become a part of our family here. And also don't forget to hit that notification button so you are notified each time BeFabulousMakeup uploads new videos. Thank you guys for watching.